Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to record your screen on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus with sound. To record it with sound or without sound, you'll need to slide down from the top of your screen, from the right top part to open the control center, because as you can see, if I slide down from the left top part, it opens the notifications. Then I'll see this part. I don't see our screen record yet. When I click on the arrow though, I should be able to see it. There's screen recorder. If you still don't see it, click on three dots in the top right corner, edit shortcut switch, and you should see it on this down section. Then click on a plus to add it to the top section, and that is basically how you can do it. Later you'll find you can click on it, and it will ask you for the permission to use microphone. You can also disable, no, you can't disable, you need to give a permission anyway. So that permission is required. Then you can click on the settings before you start recording, because it hasn't started yet. It just displays this overlay, but it's not yet recording. And you can enable whether you want to record device sound, which is media played on the phone, like off of the phone, and you can also enable record microphone sound, so whatever you're saying. I'll enable both of them, and then I'll start recording. Now it should record my voice. It should also record whatever I'm doing on the screen. And let's see if I have any like music files or something, so that I could show you how it plays, like how it records the thing on the phone, like the video, sorry, the music played off of the phone. I'll go to files and I'll just see I do not have any audio, so I'll pause this video recording and I'll just record it from YouTube or something. You can see now if voice, it should also record whatever I'm doing on the screen. As you can see, it works. It recorded my microphone. Now you can see I have a video open. If I start recording right now, it will both record my microphone and the sound from the phone. Now I'll stop it. Let's close that, and if I'll close the overlay as well. And now let's see that in the gallery. So there's this new recording right here. Right now it will both record my microphone and the sound. So first, what are we gonna do is you can hear there are both tracks recorded. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.